Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add Sapphire bot to your Discord server. So let's get started. If you want to improve and manage your Discord server more efficiently, Sapphire bot is a great option because it comes with a variety of useful features that can help with moderation, automation, and server management. First, open Discord and go to the Discover section. Once you're there, select the Apps category and click on the search bar. Type Sapphire and press Enter to search for the bot. From the search results, select Sapphire bot and make sure you choose the official one. After opening the bot page, click the Add App button. This will redirect you to the official Sapphire website. I'll also leave a link in the description so you can access it directly if needed. On the Sapphire website, click Visit Site and open the menu. You will then be asked to choose the Discord server where you want to install the bot. Select your server and click Continue. Next, you'll see a list of permissions that Sapphire bot is requesting. Review these permissions carefully and adjust them if necessary. Once you're satisfied, click Authorize. Discord may display an additional authorization screen with some information about the bot. Read through it and click Authorize again to complete the setup process. After the authorization is finished, you'll be taken to the Sapphire dashboard. From here, you can access all of the bot's available features. The dashboard menu on the side allows you to configure different settings, enable tools, and customize how the bot works in your server. You can explore the various options and start setting up the features that best fit your community. Sapphire provides several useful tools, so take some time to look through the dashboard and configure everything according to your needs. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.